Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC Creatine Monohydrate. To start, understanding the correct dosage is vital for optimal results. For most individuals, a common approach involves a loading phase to quickly saturate your muscle creatine stores. This initial period helps you experience the benefits sooner. Following this, a lower daily dose maintains those elevated levels, ensuring consistent support for your workouts and recovery. Let's dive into the specifics of each phase. The loading phase is an optional, yet effective, way to rapidly increase your muscle creatine levels. During this period, you'll typically consume about 20 grams of creatine monohydrate per day. It's best to divide this into 4 separate 5-gram servings throughout the day to improve absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. Continue this higher dosage for 5 to 7 days. This strategy helps your muscles quickly reach their saturation point, preparing them for the maintenance phase. After completing your loading phase, or if you choose to skip it, you'll move into the maintenance phase. Here, a daily dose of 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate is sufficient to keep your muscle stores saturated. Simply mix your creatine powder with water, juice, or your preferred post-workout shake. The timing isn't as critical during maintenance, but taking it around your workout can be beneficial. Remember, consistency is far more important than exact timing. To truly maximize the benefits of GNC Creatine Monohydrate, remember a few key points. First, consistency is paramount. Take your daily dose even on rest days to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. Second, combine your creatine supplementation with a well-balanced diet and a consistent exercise routine for the best results. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For durable, comfortable socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description for a link to Darn Tough, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.